Model, 2012 Mercedes-benz Vito 113 CDI 6-seater crew cab Kombi Minibus MOTD away. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 217,034. MOT, the 12th of July 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 136 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. ABS light comes on intermittently when driving due to tracking. Very easy fix. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.